Hi there, this is Shubham Mittal from deciphertechnic.com. Today I am going to show you how to install dlib Python API on Windows PC. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install Anaconda on our PC. For that, go to Google and search here for Anaconda. Go to anaconda.org and then click on download Anaconda. So these are the two installation options for Windows, Python 3.6 version and Python 2.7. I would strongly recommend Python 3.6 because it is compatible for most of the machine learning tools and all the state of the art tools with Python. So we will be downloading Python 3.6. My PC is having 64-bit CPU, so I'll be installing this 537 MB installer, graphics installer. So this will get downloaded. After this download gets completed, the installation procedure is pretty much straightforward. Just follow the step by selecting the default options, and I will be skipping that process because I am already having Anaconda installed in my PC. So now that you have installed Anaconda on your PC, just click on the start menu and type in Anaconda command prompt. So we have to open the Anaconda command prompt. Now we are going to create a Conda environment. Conda environment lets you install separate packages within Anaconda so that there may not be any compatibility issues between the different packages of Python. So we will be creating new Conda environment, but before that, make sure that all the Anaconda libraries are up to date. For that, issue the command conda update conda. So it is saying all requested packages already installed. Then issue one more command conda update Anaconda. So it is also up to date. Now we will create a new environment. We will be typing in conda create new environment, and the name of the environment, let's name it as env dlib, and the environment will be created with Python 3.6. Type in Y to proceed. This will install all the required packages for the newly created environment. Okay, now we have successfully created a new environment, and the output is also telling us that we can activate that environment using conda activate env dlib. Let's type in the same. Okay, now we have been migrated from base to the env dlib environment. Now we will be installing dlib. Use the command conda install, then with kernel conda forge. This will grab the dlib library from the conda forge repositories and then press enter. This will download all the required dependencies on its own. Just press Y to proceed and sit back and relax for 5 minutes. It will be done. Now that we have installed the dlib library successfully inside the environment, we will verify the installation. We will quickly fire up the Python interpreter by typing in Python Then we will import dlib library. It should import without any errors. Okay, now we will check the version of dlib. We have just installed dlib dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. Okay, we are having 19.9 version of dlib. Let's check what is the latest version of dlib. Online dlib. So this is the official web page of dlib. Okay, so dlib is providing us 19.11 and the Conda Forge repositories were having 19.9.0. That's okay, it will be updated soon. So we have installed the dlib library successfully. You can just exit this Python interpreter by typing in exit parenthesis and then deactivate this environment. Oops, we just need to type in deactivate. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.